Hello, I'm Claire Dallas, owner of Claire Dallas Podiatry and Norfolk Gait Analysis Lab.
Located in beautiful rural West Norfolk, I combine over 30 years of NHS and private practice experience with the latest gait and movement analysis technology. Technology is a fantastic tool to use alongside hands-on clinical examination to enhance the quality of my practice. I hugely enjoy my work and have always had a special interest in human movement, gait analysis and injury treatment and prevention. When you attend for an assessment, a detailed medical and injury history will be taken, followed by a clinical examination. Your footwear will be checked and your feet measured. We will then proceed to your gait and movement analysis. So how can technology help you? Footscan is the industry-leading pressure measurement system, which takes high-speed recordings during standing, balancing, walking and running to identify any asymmetries or abnormalities. It helps to highlight problem areas by showing 3D visualizations and generating force and loading graphs. This data can be used to help a wide range of people, from elite athletes wanting to improve their performance through to helping elderly people keep active. It can also be used in diabetic foot assessments to identify areas of the feet that are at risk of ulceration. Footscan also enables me to prescribe the award-winning Phits 3D printed orthotics, the world's first 3D printed insoles which are data-driven using your dynamic foot motion. They are extremely accurate and lightweight, offering long-lasting durability and comfort. Another technology which may also be used is baiobit, a digital system for measuring movement. It consists of a wearable inertial sensor that creates clinical reports of the evaluation of motor function. Baiobit provides additional gait information such as speed, cadence, symmetry and the 3 planes of dynamic pelvic movement to identify any potential issues further up the chain. Following an assessment, your analysis will be explained to you and a treatment pathway will be suggested. This may include exercises, physical therapies, footwear changes and also the bespoke design of Phits Orthotics. If you are interested in scheduling an appointment, please visit clairedallaspodiatry.co.uk.